Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our third topic from Unit 1 in which we have to study about system element and importance of logistics. So in this chapter we have to study about what are the elements which are involved in our logistic system. Logistic as a set of activities of linking the producer and consumer. Actually, if we looking here that logistics is always connected two things. One is producer and a consumer has many functional elements. So logistics, engineering and management. These three things have a given beautiful account each which is worthwhile to go through because producer is always considered about the engineering. They want to produce very good amount of and quality amount of product and try to deliver to the consumer with the help of management. So it has a very beautiful account of each with worthwhile to go through. Now, what elements are included in logistic systems? So, logistics and maintenance support planning. Maintenance support planning is a interactive planning, organizing and management activity are necessary to ensure that logistic requirement for any given program are properly coordinated and implemented. Initial planning and analysis lead to establish of requirement for logistic and overall support of the system throughout its life cycle. Now next point is logistic maintenance and support personnel. The personnel required, this personnel is actually a related to the employee. The personnel required to perform unique logistic and system maintenance activities are covered in this categories. Such activities include the initial provision, procurement of item of supports, production related logistic functions, and installment and checkout of the system and its element at the user optional side, consumer service function, the sustaining support of the system throughout its planned period of use, and those functions required for the retirement and recycling of disposable of material. Next point is training and training support. In logistic systems, we required a training because in earlier time the meaning of logistic is only to produce a product and to deliver to the consumer. But now in this scenario, the training support system plays a very important role because logistics involve documentation, storage, transportation, and many other things which are controlled with the help of computer system. Supply support, spare or repair part and associated inventories. Supply support is also involve spares or repair parts and associated inventories. And this support is very helpful for the logistic systems. Computer resources. Now today, each and everything is recorded with the help of computer and it can also deliver mail to the respondent and also to the recipient with the help of computer resources, and it also includes the software which are used in the logistic systems. Now next is technical data report and documentation. In logistic systems, we have to create a data which is technical, which provide details about who supply the product, when it supply, and which quality product is supply, and what is the price rate. Each and everything are recorded in the data, reports, and documentation. So that's why these are the elements which are involved in the logistic systems. Now next is maintenance. Now next is maintenance and support facility and utilities. Maintenance is also a consider with the help of support facility and utilities. Like this category covers all special facilities that are unique and that are required to support logistic activities to include storage building, warehousing, maintenance facilities at all level, just like physical plant, portable building, mobile vans, personal housing structure, intermediaries level maintenance shops, laboratories, and special repair shops such as depots, overall material supplies, and consider. So, support facility and utilities is also a very great element of logistic systems. Packaging, handling, storage, or warehousing and transportation. These are also very great element of logistic systems. Like this category, logistics include all material, equipment, spatial provision, container, both resistible and disposable supplies necessary to support package and safety and preservation, storage, handling, transportation of the prime mission related element of the system. Now next is test, measurement, handling and support equipment element. This category includes all tools, conditions, monitoring equipment, diagnostics and checkout equipments, special text equipments, metrology equipments and maintenance fixture and stands and special handling equipment required to support operational and maintenance function throughout the forward and reserve flow. So this element is also very important. And the last is logistic information. Just like each and every system of information, logistic information is also play a very great role for the logistic systems. This refers to the resources necessary to ensure that an effective and efficient logistic information flow is provided through and to the organization responsible for all the activities that comes within its focus. The flow includes its necessary communication links among the customers, producers or prime contractor, subcontractors, suppliers and supporting maintenance organizations. So logistics information is very useful to provide a great logistic systems to the consumer, to the producer and its all related vendors. So these all about the elements of the logistic systems. So dear students, we are going to move towards our next topic. Now our next topic is importance of logistics. So following points are important in logistics. But before starting these points, we just have to understand that why logistics is more important. So any successful business leader will acknowledge the crucial importance of efficiently organized logistics. They understand that implementation of logistics is a key element in keeping speed with the customer demand and outperforming competitors. And we already know that we can make the difference between our computer on the behalf of only logistics. We are going to supply very fast our product to the consumer at the right time, at the right place, at the right cost. And we also know that if we want to make our product cost effective, so we just have to maintain our logistics system. So whatever the size of your business, you will want to grow and expand. That probably means expanding on a regional, international, or global level, whatever your business location or industry. So now we are going to the points what we are important in logistics. Logistics helps in business create value. Logistics is the only way with the help of we can create the value of our company. Suppose providing value of customer does not only refer to quality or quantity, it also refers to the availability, as better logistics make your product more available to increasing group of people. Wise business leader consider it is a very important tool in creating the value for customer. Now, we can also say that logistic creates and increases the value of business offer by improving merchandise and ensuring the availability of product. Now move to the next point. Logistics helps in reducing cost and improves efficiency. So how the logistics help to reduce the cost? With the global trade growing more popular, logistics has become the heart of supply chain. Business leaders have realized that they can reduce their cost by establishing partnerships with the other business which offer transportation and warehousing. Suppose we are not having a such type of transportation and warehousing, we can do partnership with the others. When business starts using such services to outsource transport and warehousing, they improve their overall business efficiency, sometimes dramatically. If they let these partners take charge of shipping their goods and to end customer, this result in better reputation on a stronger brand. As according to me, if you are not having these type of facilities, you can tie up with the other companies. So next point is logistic helps delivering your product at the right time at the right place. So logistics is firmly clearly defined with a supply chain. However, due to different customer demand, it has to consist, it has to constantly evolving in order to provide better result. Customer nowadays are more likely to impulse shop using a smartphone and be equally as impatient about receiving these orders. So now move to the next page. Logistic is the key to success with supply chain. Supply chain are unique network between businesses that deal with the production, shipment, warehousing and delivery of product. Next point is keep your customer satisfied. Really on experienced logistic professionals. लुक सेटिस्फाइड कस्टमर आर द मोस्ट प्रीशियस एसेट फॉर एनी बिजनेस. हम सभी लोग जानते हैं कि जितने हमारे पास सेटिस्फाइड कस्टमर होंगे वो एक तरह से हमारा एसेट होगा. सो दे आर मेन ड्राइव फॉर द सप्लाई चेन इन ईच ऑफ दीज फेसेस: मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, मार्केटिंग एंड लॉजिस्टिक्स. For this reason, it is a priority for each business owner to clearly understand customer needs, preference, and demand, and then work to meet them. We always try to focus on the customer behalf, and we can also improve our logistics systems on the behalf of our customer demand and the different time. When successful business leaders acknowledge the needs and requirement of existing and potential customer, they develop a strategy. Whatever the business is small, middle sized and large, is strategies really on effective logistics. So as according to these points, we can say that the logistics plays a very great role in the logistics systems. So dear students, I think this is enough for today. So now we are move to the next video on the next lesson. So thank you very much.